Hey, I'm Greg, and I'm the owner of GL Robotics. We had started this company to help the everyday person with all the new technology that's coming out. We're really living in an exciting time, some would say even the fourth industrial revolution, with all the additive manufacturing robotics that are coming down the line. It really all started when we began mentoring a local high school robotics team. Part of the competition allowed us to have a 3D printed part. And so one of our students had a 3D printer and he brought in the 3D printed part, and I thought that was really neat. And so I actually bought a 3D printer for myself. So I began printing things for fix around the house, and quickly realized I don't know how I live without this thing. And then so that evolved. I bought another printer, and then soon I had three. And then the pandemic hit and we were printing face shields for a lot of the local medical facilities here. And so I added a few more printers to do that. And I quickly learned that the supply of filament was really erratic, especially getting the right colors. And so I began stocking some filament with my label on it, actually in a shed outside our house. Quickly that grew and grew and grew as more and more people started 3D printing. We started partnering with 3D printing manufacturing, and we started stocking 3D printers, and then we got into actually 3D printing for other folks. And then we also brought in a line of robotic lawnmowers, and that type of business has really grown for us. And now we have a partnership with Mingda. We're actually going to be a fulfillment center for them in North America, as well as technical support, as well as stock a full line of parts. And we're going to continue to grow. We're starting to bring in their industrial printers and all of that. And so it's something that we can do. It's really been a blessing for us and a great journey. We're looking to continue to grow and stay with our mission, and that's really to help you. So we're providing all kinds of aftermarket support, parts, products, those kind of things. And that's the purpose of this YouTube channel, is to get the information out there, help you to learn how to use your 3D printer in the most efficient way, and to answer any questions that you may have. If you'd like more information on our company, you can go to our website, glroboticsusa.com. We also have a Facebook support group. We call it Mingda Support, and you can find us there, or you're welcome to give us a call. Our number is located on our website. So go there and check us out. If you need a printer, filament, 3D pen, dryer, we have a lot of things to offer.